What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Who do we got? Who do we got in the building? Yo, what up, Mick? Dude, I'm just... Yo, I don't get why people are still using Topstep right now. What up, Jay Styles? What up, TJ? Like... What up, friend? Nice profile pic. I don't know. What up, Jim? Yo, if you want to pay the most expensive prop firm, jump on. What's up, Marie? Marie, how's your day going? Sean's profile pic? What? I don't even know what it is. It's just Sean. Yeah, $12.50 off. Holy shit! Better hang on to your seat. Oh man. My day is going good. I'm almost at a bunch of payouts for $2,000 in Fidias. Bro, am I missing something? What's the profile pic? Where is it? What profile pic? Dude, I feel like I'm missing out. Where's this profile pic that everyone's talking about? Oh. Oh, yeah. It's been like that since the beginning of time. Sean, the big question is, are you going to be taking a short up here? Oh, man. Dude, the market sucks today so far. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Is it? You've been in this long all day? Did you take it on the daily? What up, LaRosa? I saw it on the daily. Was it on the daily? No, it wasn't on the daily. I think it was the... No. Yeah, the daily FVG, IFVG. Is that why you took it, Marie? Yo. Project X is back up. That second tier fucking platform is back up. They call Project X. Just watching. You thought I repped Topstep? Was there someone behind me? 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 Bro, I don't rep Topstep. First of all, when I go on Topstep TV or My Funded Futures TV, I actually don't get paid anything. Chris? Yeah, I don't get paid. First of all, I don't get paid anything to go on there. I don't even get a free eval to go on there. They don't even give me a discount code for 10% off to go on there. How's that sound? But yeah, I was on Topstep TV. That doesn't mean I rep them. It was just, I was asked to go on. Yeah. I don't, I definitely don't rep them or anything about them. I haven't been on Topstep TV since, I want to say May. Probably May. Yeah. I don't know. There's just so much, there's so many better options at this point. I just feel like other people evolved and Topstep did not. Yeah, I stopped trading with them for a while. And every once in a while I'll get a rebill, like a random rebill that I forgot about, and I'll like trade the account. But like I'm not actively buying accounts with them. If they run a crazy like a Black Friday deal, I might grab accounts with them, but like they're just so expensive. They charge you tax. So like a 50K account is like $53, which is expensive. And then to get funded, the activation fee is like $153. So it's just super expensive. You know, you can get the same terms that Topstep has with My Funded Futures for so much less money with no activation fee. Who do I think the best is? Probably Take Profit Trader. They have no rules, daily payouts. Yo, Project X. I don't, listen, everyone has their own thing. I feel like every time I buy in Project X, I am down money instantly. I am never like, oh, I'm up right away. That was a good fill. But yeah, it's almost as bad as day traders. But yeah, I don't get paid for any of that though. I don't get paid for going on any of the TVs, Topstep, My Funded Futures. I don't know. I go on to hang out and have fun. I go on to liven the fucking stream that they got going on there. What up, Crew? Do I like Lucid? Lucid's not bad. I have a Lucid account. I don't actually know all of Lucid's. I just got an account not too long ago, and I actually don't even know the rules completely. Yo, Trump just is that old? Trump just signed a mineral rights deal with the Australia guy. Oh. The fuck is that? Slippage. Yo, fast track. Somebody told me Scott is doing another firm or something like that. Is that true? Is that even allowed? I thought he was in bankruptcy court. Boom. He is? Nah. I know he's in bankruptcy, but somebody said that he was doing a new prop firm. As if you didn't get cleaned out enough, you can now get cleaned out one more time. Bro, somebody would. I guarantee you somebody would. He's going to come out with it. Somebody's like, yo, guys, the accounts are good. The accounts are good. You use, I'm not even going to get into it. Somebody's going to be promoting it. Somebody's definitely going to be promoting it. So long. Man. Jeez. I am 20x. What? Who the... Bro, remember that? Yo. I love the comments. Yo, he's going to pay you in fast track accounts. I wonder what the name would be. Bro, he's actually tweeting stuff out? Get the fuck out of here. Bro, what's his Twitter? I don't even know his Twitter handle. Tell me he's doing that. That'd be fucking awesome. Rug pull family. Rug pull futures. Somebody would buy it. Yo, if you made it rug pull futures and Scott ran it, somebody would still buy accounts from him. I mean, wow. Bro, I am here to invent prop trading again. Bro, what the hell? They keep talking about clawbacks. What the fuck is a clawback? Is it if you got paid by him, they're gonna give you like, you got to give your money back? Is that what happens? Yo, I don't get. Yo, what up, Maria? I don't get what clawbacks are. Like, if you got a payout, they're gonna request money back. Dude, it's so crazy to me. Fucking wild. The prop pit. Bro, the prop pit is the new thing. Is his new the prop pit is his new prop firm. It's more like the armpit. Yo, you gonna get some armpit accounts? Yo. Yo. Fucking that's crazy if he names it that. Yo. If anyone here gets some armpit accounts, let me know. Seattle. Bro, I will not watch the World Series if it is Blue Jays Dodgers. I'm not watching it at all then. I'm not even watching these games because I'm just fucking not interested. Bro, that's crazy that he's doing that. Who's allowing this shit? Bro, here's your short opportunity. Bro, it's rigged, Kevin. It's rigged. They know you're betting on it. Dude, someone's going to get an armpit account. I can't wait. I can't wait to just laugh. Are they going to let this go, or they're just going to dick around here? Let it go. Dude, I'm grabbing 5 micros for an absolute dumpage. Joom here. Bro, not even going to get into it. Not even going to get into it. Who fucking... Bro, I watched that boring ass stream to go to sleep at night. I'm like, yo, I'm so tired, but I can't go to sleep. I watched that shit, and then I pass out in 30 seconds. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Fucking just let it go, man. Let it go. Let it go. You're in it. You didn't get in at 32. I'm guessing you got in right here at 25. 25-ish. You're at 324. Yeah. May the odds forever be in your favor. I don't know how much I like this. I just went to break even. This is not a big trade, but it's free now. I'm just curious if it... What's the worst that could happen? What up, Ace? Dump it. Dump it. Blow right through this fucking 200. No! Monica! I just watched that last night. It was on Fast and Furious. It's on Netflix. Monica! Telum. What's up, Telum? Pole Partis. What up, Pole? Are we cooking? Always. Actually, I'm right there for a bunch of payouts. Investors with a Z. Welcome, welcome, man. Dude, this market is fucking trash. This market's fucking trash. Trash. Oh, right off the... Yo, we gonna... Anyone take this? Anyone take the bounce? Anyone? It doesn't look very bouncy. Oh, that's going to sell through. That's going to dump through. You're short, Marie? I am debating on it. I will tell you that. What up, Jesse? Not real committed, though? I get that feeling a lot. I'm like, sure, we can hang out, but I'm definitely not that committed. This is a no strings attached hangout. Oh man. There's a huge order block down there. I do think the overall trend is up, though. Just an FYI. Okay, hold on one second. I'm gonna need to study up on this. I'm short because it was 2 o'clock and it didn't make a lower wick and then started dropping. I mean, technically, I don't know how you do it. Somebody else showed me. It was like the first 3-minute FVG to the up or downside after 2 o'clock was the way you'd play it. So in theory, yeah, you have a time frame. What up, Creo? Yo, I locked in another payout today. That I could tell you. It is payout number. Oh my God. I got to look. I don't want to make it up. How the fuck am I going to see what my payouts were? Reversal coming? I still use Apex. Yeah. Yeah, I still have Apex. I took Apex and Take Profit Trader off my main screen to free up computer bandwidth. Like, so you remember how my camera was freezing and shit like that? Well, it doesn't freeze anymore. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Oh, I just realized. Did I just restart this up? I just restarted that up. Bro, I'm exhausted and doing stupid shit. My bad. I didn't mean to restart this thing. Are you going to give it up? It's still holding though. Technically, your stop out point is 312. Just watching this thing. Watching. Waiting. 16 Clambos lighter. It happens. I mean, at this point, you kind of want to see him dump it down to 285, right? That's the move. I should have bought Beyond. Yo, that's crazy. That's up 150%. I'm glad I put all my kids' education money in there on Friday. I did not. I did not. $290 is NY VWAP. Bro, all my tendies. I'd have mad tendies. I actually liked when they called it tendies. Is that weird? I was a big fan of tendies. Tendies was cool. Diamond Hands was cool. I mean, I wasn't on their fucking thing be like, yeah. Some Roaring Kitty action. I don't know what the Buy the Dip song was. Buy the Dip song? I like the stock. So crazy that he made so much money from it. Tendies nuts. Yo, I honestly feel like anyone feel like this is I mean, I think the overall trend is up on the daily. I think, if I look at the daily, I think we're going higher. You know, but Man, that's so crazy. All you had to do is hold. Bro, that's insane. Hold on. I'll be right back. I just got to go get something. I got a surprise for you. I'm really in the mood for it, too. There's nothing like it. Wait until you see what it is. There's nothing like it. I'm back. Yo, nothing like a good tea bag. Had to teabag it. Oh man. This thing's just going for it. Watch, it's probably going to go to 39. I would guess 39 maybe. Little consolidation right here and up would be pretty fucking cool. They might bring it all the way back. All the way back. Nothing can stop us. Yo, you just had a hold. Yo, why didn't you hold? Knob. I love when someone asks me that in the chat. Yo, why did you hold? A great question. Why didn't I hold? I don't know. I don't know, young man. So funny. It's like, yo, why didn't you hold? It's like, bro, if I knew it was going to go up, I would have went all in with my money and grandma's money. But I did not. Why did I hold? Push it. How's everybody's day going today? Today was kind of whack. Yo, the opening was amazing, to be honest with you. Ah, shit. I just burnt my mouth. Woo! Wow. Forget about the caffeine waking you up. Fucking, I'm not going to be able to taste shit for 3 days now. Oh. I mean, there's nothing that's like, oh my God, I need to get in this. Oh, I thought the open was amazing, Tommy. I always go with it for the most part. I always go with it. Giants running back Cam Scadaboo had to be separated in the locker room yesterday after biting Jude Mikatami's on the leg. What? What the fuck is going on in that locker room? Oh. As long as you're up on the old funded account. Oh man, I am exhausted here. This fucking market just like it looks like you've gone places, but it's kind of like not really. Yeah, I try not to be a dumbass either. Y'all heard of Sway Funded? I have not heard of Swinger Funded yet, Christopher. Probably gonna probably here. Wait, hold on. Let me pull my pass card out and pass on that one. I will not be buying a Swinger Funded account. I mean, the higher time frame swine funded. There's probably, I mean, honestly, there's probably like, there's so many future fun, like prop firm accounts. There's so many little guys that like I would just never use. Like Aquaman Futures, never use daytraders.com, never use, all these other ones. Armpit trading. I'm out on armpit trading. Oh man. Dude, I got to go to my kids' basketball after this. I got to go to my kids' basketball after this. Jeez. Bro, chop shop trading. Bro, there's so many of these things. Dude, I got 7% left. I got my charger somewhere. We need to start ball scratcher. Bro, that's what it is like. It's like they just come up with all these names. Carpet muncher fund futures, where rugs get pulled and carpet matches the drapes. Dude, I'm just out on all these names. Armpit funding has paid me out a ton. There's always somebody when you talk shit about the firm, they're like, I got paid out a ton of money, man. I was like, yeah, I'm sure. I believe it. I'll take things that didn't happen for 500, Alex. Duck racing funding. Yeah. Rigged. Yo, everybody says that. They're new, but they have a great deal running. Yeah. Or the famous, I've never used them. I have never been paid by them, but use my code. Nobody's used them yet, but use my code. Joom sounds like a nice guy. Use it. Uh-oh. Somebody's starting the wave. Yo, my friend's gotten 7 payouts already. I mean, just join in, right? Oh, man. Oh, baby. You didn't miss it. Somebody has started the wave. The equivalent to the wave in the Cove stream. What up, Monet? To 8.5. Oh, man. CT is back. Yo, CT, you up? Did you stop trading or you continue trading today? Because I know you were up. Whew. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. I haven't been this tired in a while, guys. Probably a smart move in this market. I mean, we're not really going anywhere. I hit it from the backhand open. Dude, the open was straight cash. Straight cash. Just turn this around, man. Yo, all seriousness, I can't even stay awake. I'm going to get a Celsius. Fuck this tea. Fuck the tea bags. I'm going to get a Celsius. I literally can't stay awake. I need Celsius. By the way, I'm on like no sleep, guys. I don't think you guys even realize how little I sleep or I slept the last couple of days. Yeah. Last night I slept about 4 hours. And I'm exhausted, but the show goes on. Gold was very good to you today. I like playing gold. I like playing gold at night. I think we're going down. Hold on 1 second. I'm getting some ice. I'm getting a cup of ice. Hold on. I'm back. Yo, I am fucking so back. Oh, here we go. What up? I'm thinking about grabbing a short here. I am master debating on taking a short. Bro, gold owns your ass. Celsius. Now I'm back, baby. Once it touches the lips, it's so good. I try golds. Yo, do you trade the 9 p.m. open? Are you still trading the open? Yo, you still do the open with the yeah, how we used to do it, right, BK? Yo, I haven't done the open that way in a while, man. Bro, they do. Although I was trying to not drink it today, Monet. I made myself some tea, and I was just too tired. I'm on like I might have slept like 13 hours the last 3 nights. Maybe 14 hours 3 nights in a row, like for 3 nights. Eventually it catches up to me. I'm not a big sleeper, but by day 3 it starts catching up to me. Sort of, but with a twist. A twist. I gotta pick a direction. Why doesn't the straddle work anymore? Dude, I thought the straddle was where it was at. Man, this thing's going down again. Man, this thing's looking weak as shit. Oh man, I'm just looking. Thinking what I want to do. I'm thinking. Gold is probing the shorts. Dude, gold is just, I mean, you got to play gold on the higher time frames. I played on the hourly and 4 hour. I don't think you could play gold on like the lower. It just doesn't work. For me, at least. That fucking gold, man. Oh, man. Just gets me. Gets me right where it hurts. I bet you this thing. Bro, we're right back in this fucking range that we spent all like mid. That's crazy. Oh, you just, I don't think there's any, like, the 1 minute just doesn't work. I feel like it's just stupid. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. I don't know if it comes down to this blue line, but if it does, I'm probably going to take a long off of it. It just seems like the right opportunity. Come on down. I can't short it though, because they can definitely just bring it back over 300. Plus, if you look how many times we bounced in this area. There's a lot of fucking bounces going on in this area. So I can't really short this. But if it comes right here, I would look to take it back up. Zapac. Dump it. Just fucking let it go, man. You know, boring ass fucking action. Come on. Dump it. Give me the top of the imbalance. Is that the orb too? No, it's not. Dude, it looks like it's going to pour out today, but I think it's just windy. Give me the top. Shoot the J. Shoot it. Dude, they're just going to bounce it right here. I mean, it makes sense. Makes sense. Can't say it doesn't. What's up, Jan Vests? Killian, if you're brand new on the stream, first of all, would have to subscribe. Second of all, you got to be on the stream for, I think, 15 minutes of total time in order to get in the old quack quack ducky race. The old ducky race. There you go. Reminder. It's not letting you in. Oh, man. This fucking market, man. Did I win? I don't see my duck. I don't see my duck. Uh-oh. I got an alert. No.
99% of them are losers. The other ones work for the Fed.
I have a whole joke about that. It's like fucking, if
It's FBI agents and losers.
Jeez. Oh my God. Where's my duck? I'm here. Did I win? Did I win? Please. Dude, this is chop. I hope you guys aren't blowing accounts today. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Dude, I don't understand what's wrong with this fucking thing. My phone. Someone messaging me? Coinbase. Big options alert on Coinbase. Bro, I can't do anything else. I just can't. I can't buy anything else. I refuse to buy anything else. So it was a pretty good bounce. It's the buffer. So the buffer's $1,500. You got to get over $1,500, and that's your buffer. Anything over $1,500, you could start taking out daily withdrawals. That's where I'm at. I'm taking out money today. I got to figure out how many days I've taken out money already. I was hoping it would be easy, but it's not. So I got 1, 2, 4, I think I've taken out 4 payouts. So last week I took out 4 out of 5 days I've taken a payout. I think that's where I'm at. 4 out of 5 days. Dude, I just keep getting tagged. I keep getting tagged. I think the drift is going to pay today. I will play the drift with you, Sean. Yeah, Christian, no problem. Yo, honestly, those are the best accounts. Once you have them over the buffer, you make 1 trade a day. If your first trade is green, just take the money out. That's what I do. If my first trade is green, I take the money out for that day. It just keeps a steady flow of, I don't know, $60, $100, $150, $200. Nah, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock to the downside, but also got to see what's going on, Maria. You can't blindly do it. You just got to watch. Is that the ducky? Oh yeah, this is the duck. This is one of my ducks. So actually, it's my son's duck. I don't know what he even got this thing for. It feels like there's shaving cream in there. There's some type of cream. Kind of heavy, a little heavy action. It's rubber. First rubber thing I've used in a while. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But I keep playing with it now that he brought it to my desk. But now I'm just like messing around with it. Watch the market go new highs at close. You never know, Anderson. You never know. It might go to the moon. Yo, my personal account. Oh my God. I'm up about $4,400 in my personal account today. If I could have that same day tomorrow, that'd be fucking awesome. Wah, wah, wah. Maybe we got a little consolidation, break to the upside. I got a notice from Elite saying I had to trade all these accounts.
Order rejected.
So I just want to make a trade in all these accounts just once. What do I use for my tasty trade, Gary? I just want to make a trade in the accounts. I'm not doing it for gains or anything like that. I'm just flipping to produce a trade in each account. That's all. I don't want to lose the accounts. I don't know what the deal was, but yeah, tasty trade. Man, I'm exhausted. I got girls basketball to go to in a little bit. I got some girls basketball. I can't wait to coach that at fucking 6 o'clock at night. To be the yo, should I trade with these on? My daughter left her glasses on my desk. Mm-hmm. Some Diddy glasses? Yeah, I don't even know where she got them from. I am in for the drift. I mean, it just has to present the entry that I want. I'm hoping to lock in some $2,000 payouts tomorrow is what I'm hoping for. That's really what I want to be doing. MOC won't let me be. I think the overall trend is up still. So if you look, somebody's like, dude, you're trading on the daily. Yeah, I mean, we just put an inversion in on the day. I would be targeting basically 392. We haven't hit it yet, but that's my target. Am I getting another huge payout? I'm only going to get after they take their cut, it's going to be $100. Glacier. I'm requesting $120 tonight. I made one trade. It was the first trade of the day for me in that account. I hit for 120. And I was like, why am I going to fuck it up? You know what I'm saying? I just won't trade in it the rest of the day and I'll pull $100 out. $100 and go buy me another account. I'm not going to mess it up and go, I need more. No, I fucking withdraw and I just moved to one of my other accounts. I got enough accounts I don't need to keep trading in TPT for. You know what I'm saying? I basically just hit it real quick, get some cash, and I'm on to the next day. Yeah, I mean, I like trading the higher time frames, the hourlies, the 4 hours. I don't know. I want to say it's easier. It's easy. Oh man. I don't actually know what a suspension block is. I mean, right now you're inside this. They just paid me $442. I got the money hit my account on Friday, Jay Styles. So I really can't complain. I can only tell you my personal experience. And it's been a positive one. I'll only buy accounts, though, when they're doing the Beat the Beast challenge. That's the only way I buy them. Yeah. I'm trying to think when the last time they ran a Beat the Beast. They ran it, but it was stupid. Like, oh, you get access to a fucking giveaway. Like, I don't want that. I want you to pass me after I make $500. Woo! Dumping. Dump, 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 dumparoo. Oh, I hope they run it soon. Dump for MOC? I don't know what they're going to do. Am I doing the Tradeify challenge? Am I going to trade for free? Another free account and not just go after funded accounts and make money? Probably not. Yeah, Larry, the Beat the Meat challenge. I'm just not a big, I'm not a big trade for free against other people challenge. Like, why? But it's not going to put money in my pocket. It's not paying the electric bill. I can't be like, yo, guys, I came in 5th place. Electric company, can I pay you with a 5th place screenshot? That's not going to happen. You know what's the worst is when you do the challenge account and you have a good day and then you trade your other account and you fucking blow your other account or you blow your funded account while your free challenge account is up. Tell me how much that will suck. I'm good. I'm probably good. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of challenge accounts and shit like that. The only one that's winning on this Tradeify challenge account is Tradeify. That's it. They're getting everybody to use their thing. That's the person who's winning. It's a big, if you don't know, it's a big marketing thing. That's all it is. It's just a marketing thing. I don't know. I'd rather, especially like, so here's the other thing. Say you get into that challenge, right? You're probably going to full port or you're going to have to go near the top, right? And then it's just going to make super bad habits for when you trade your real account. Yes. So if it's free and you want to go all in, go do it. But just remember, it could definitely cause bad habits by keep doing shit. And the other thing it could also do is say you trade that account in the morning, right? And you blow it. Now you're all pissed off, and now you're trading your funded account all pissed off. Like, it could definitely affect your day, even if it's a free account. You could be thinking about the trade you lost on it. Like, I don't know. Nothing's ever free. It's using your time, your energy, your mental, you got to think about it. I don't know. Obviously, if you want to do it, go do it. I'm just not a big thing. Just not a big into it, pretty much. I don't know. Like, I did this trade day one. I don't know. The trade day one I'm doing, like I'm over it already. I was over it real fast. Like I was in first place for a couple days, and I was in second place. And I was like, cool, I did it. I all I wanted to do was be in first place at one point, right? I came in first place at one point, and I was like, fuck it, I don't really care anymore. The problem is you don't get to keep the money you make. In some of them, at least. Like the trade day one, you don't keep the money you make. So, like, if I come in fifth, but I have a funded account that I made money in, I don't get that money. MOC, baby, in 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes for some MOC action, baby. Do I copy? What, copy trade? Yeah. Dude, this is fucking brutal. Look at this fucking market, man. If I had to guess, they're going to push this up. Just an FYI. They had every opportunity right here to kind of push it down and bounce off of this or then sell through this. I'm going to take a random. Oh, gold, bro. Gold just keeps going. There's just I don't know if gold's gonna stop. It's so we're at the point on gold that I don't even know anymore. All seriousness. It's so far gone at this point. It's so far gone. I just can't. Damn, I was in this on MOC and we were up. I was up a hundy. All right, we're gonna go to break even. What up, Runava? I didn't really open this up. I need one more dude, this has been some bad fucking action today. This fucking chop. I crushed the morning too. Oh, we got 8 minutes. I hit for a little over. I had between my fundeds and evals. Yeah, it was probably like $3,000-$4,000 right off the rip, and then just didn't do much the rest of the day. I actually put those accounts away. They're right near payouts. Just kind of been dicking around here with some of this other bullshit. I think you have a nice setup on the daily to make new highs. No fucking idea who that is. Let me just make sure it's not. What? I'll just make sure it's not my kids or anything like that. You're locked out for the day? Probably a good idea. Yeah, my ringtone is Secession. Yep. Yo, it's awesome. Nobody has that ringtone. Nobody I know has the ringtone. So it's such a good song, like such a good fucking beat. Your Project X sits on it. Bro, you guys love Project X. You guys are all like, Project X, you're the best. We love you. I hate this fucking chop. I took a flyer thinking that we would possibly run into close, but no. SMCI had options flow also. I don't know. I never really fuck with SMCI. Have you? As in SMCI? If I could back end his fault, what can you do? Yo, man, not use it. Holy shit, something's just taking off. Nothing was down for me really. I've traded SOUN. I've done it. It's not one I love, but it moves. I just want to see how much SM. I want to see how much money they put into it. Holy fuck, dude! Who did that? They were buying 2028. Bro, I didn't even know you could buy 2028. Bro, they bought 2028. Yo, that's fucking wild. Somebody bought 2028 leaps on SMCI, and they bought 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, over $9 million worth of them. Yeah, it's a crazy amount. What's interesting is it's the furthest strike price you could buy in the dollar amount, and it's the furthest date you can buy. For 7. I don't know. I'll hold this and see what happens. I don't know. That's super interesting. I got to look into this. One, two. Yo, who's drifting? Holy shit. There we go. Dude, that was 100 and something bucks. What was that? 50, 75. Oh, like 175 bucks. Boom. That's how it's done, boys and girls. Yo, I don't know why it happens like that, but it happens way too often. Yo, you just got to press it. John R. John R says he doesn't trade anything all day. He comes on for 30 seconds to play the drift. Sometimes it's all you need. Sometimes it's all you need. BK hit it. It's crazy. I don't know what causes it, but it's definitely interesting. Yeah, it's just definitely interesting that it happens like that. It happens earlier sometimes, like 30 seconds. It happens sometimes earlier. You just got to watch the chart. But once it starts dropping, it just fucking drops. Ah! That sucks, Maria. I don't go back for more. I mean, I'm done. That's it. I most definitely do not go back for more. Boom. Although, watch it dip again. Oh, let me see this shit. Yo, later, Maria. At least it's on evals and you can live and learn. Boom, 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 boom. I thought it was overall a pretty good day. I didn't do well. Obviously, this is all just bullshit. Was an eval that I blew up in 3 seconds. Actually, it's 150K, and the drawdown was almost nothing. So I wasn't bringing that back. These took a little bit of a hit. I made money in my Fidias accounts. I got a payout coming right now, which I'll have to withdraw tonight. Am I on at 6? No, I got to go coach girls basketball. I have dad life, Gary. I'm going to coach girls basketball. I'll probably be there at 6. It starts at 6:30. I think it's an hour. Yeah, I got dad life crap going on. Dad life. Bro, dad life never ends, man. I had dad life going on all weekend. I had sports, kids' Halloween parties, you name it. No, I know, Gary. That's why I do it all. I do all the stuff for my kids. Dude, today was an awesome fucking day. Yo, CT, if you're around, you're wondering if it can go above 3,000, it can hit $4,600 in a day. That's where I ended. 4,600. Boom. Yo, kids are 26 and 24. Yeah. No, I know. Believe me, I know, man. I got a lot of shit coming my way in the next 6 months. I got a lot of stuff going on in the next 6 months. It's gonna be busy. What's up, Wojak? It looks like it's just gonna dump here, but I don't know. Who knows? Anybody got questions? Maybe I got answers. Questions? I know a lot of people have questions, but they don't want to ask. But now is the time to ask. Now is definitely the time to ask. Questions about prop firm strategies, anything, options, investing, crypto, you name it. I hit a crypto trade over the weekend. If anybody saw, I posted it in the Discord. I hit for 60%. I made 60% gainer. I did Sol with leverage. I posted my entry and my exit in there. One question. Why Tasty Trade? What up, for keeps? Why Tasty Trade? They have a thing called portfolio margin, which other firms have also. But E-Trade that I was at was not offering me portfolio margin. They were just doing regular margin, and you get more capital from portfolio margin. And also the margin rates were probably 40% cheaper with Tasty Trade over E-Trade. So I went to Tasty. That's why I went to Tasty. I'll be honest with you, I like Tasty. Tasty's pretty interesting. Wait, what the fuck? Gold literally also, what the fuck is knob smoke? That's a blip. That's as much as I pay my local. What? Jeez. Red or blue pill? Bro, which one's the one that brings you into the matrix? Is that the blue pill? I take the one that brings me into the matrix or brings me out of the matrix. I take that one. The one that Neo takes. I'd probably do that one. See where we go. Stuart Hernandez, welcome to the stream, brother. All right, so here's the deal. You're probably copy trading using this, right? You're managing groups and copy trading. Is that how you're doing it? I don't use, so I trade on Tradeivate, but I'm using Replicanto. So I'm using this on NinjaTrade. So I haven't had any issues. Yo, why'd you delete the duck, Ethan? I seen it. You can't delete messages from me. I seen the duck. What would you recommend a beginner strategy, like a solid base to build? A solid base to build, Joseph, would be this. I would look for I would have two things on my chart, right? It's a great question. I would look for inverted fair value gaps is probably the easiest thing that you could do. So you would look to take out, today kind of sucks, but you would look to take out typically lows of sessions. So you would look to take out London lows, Asia lows, or something like that. You also have internal lows. So something like, see how we bounce right here, and then we make this high over here, and then we take it out to the downside. And then when you go back, you could take the inversion up. That's not like an A+ setup, but I'm just kind of, you know, you can use it for continuation purposes sometimes, but I would look for it. That's a shit fucking. So this would be a better option. So see how we're taking out lows of the day, lows of basically of pre-market. You take it out right here. I'm going to show you. We're not even in it's shaded blue for a reason. Oh, I'm just looking for an example. This would be an example. Like I probably took this. You got a higher high, and then you took this inversion to the upside. What was this, Friday? Pretty sure I took that. You know, I would be looking for I know, yeah, Wojak. I would be playing fair value gap inversions after a sweep. A sweep is when you take out like the lows or highs of either like the session or the hourly high or low or Asia high or lows or London high or lows. Like it's got to be something like that. And then you take the inverted fair value gap either up or down. And that's probably where I would start off. Yeah. I feel like that's like the easiest. I have videos on it. You know, like here's an example. You basically make highs and they create an inversion to the top, because you got to think, if you take out highs or lows and then you have a clear entry, which is like an inversion, if you're only playing the top and then coming down or coming when it makes new lows back up, you're playing the edges, which means you're basically getting in at the low or the high of the day, where like your stop would be, you know, new high a day or new low of day. And it kind of protects yourself, because, you know, if you're running up and you take out new highs and then it triggers down, you've already ran so much. Dude, I don't know. Is it? I'm not really. It works, Ron. Otherwise, I wouldn't be getting fucking 7 payouts last week. But I don't know. He asked me what's the easiest thing. That's the easiest thing. What am I going to say? Here, this is the easiest thing. You ready? Buy on green, sell on red. You know, I don't know. I've been trying to implement this in with something. I just haven't really gotten it. There is a strategy that I back tested that was profitable with this. So if it's a bullish inverted, so like this originally was bullish, and then when you came back down, you inverted it. See, this was 1. And then when it came back down, you inverted it, and that's why it turned it red. And then you kind of keeps you out of the middle. It basically keeps you out of the middle of the range. It keeps you from taking trades in the middle of the range. That's what a lot of it does. It's super like that. It stops you from playing in the middle of a range where you could get chopped up and just getting fucked. I would say that that's where it helps more than anything. I want the Tampa Detroit game football. If it's football, I want Detroit. If Mariners are playing tonight, I want Mariners. If it's Mariners, I want Mariners. MLB Mariners. How do I, listen, I'm from the United States. How do I root for a Canadian team? Like I would want US to win. And by the way, he repackaged. It was called, what was it called? Imbalances. There's other names for fair value gaps. It's not, he didn't create it. Most of the shit he talks about, has been repackaged, I would say. Sweeping the lows and coming back through is not fucking brand new. Yeah, if you ever look at, I was just gonna say single prints. Yeah, single prints was the name I was looking for. Single prints, imbalances. I'd never really used weak highs or poor lows, but yeah, single prints is the one I was looking for. It's not anything, it's not something brand new that just started fucking a year ago or 2 years ago or whenever. I just think that it got popular, through him. But I'm going to say a lot of people using the concepts do make a lot of money, but I'm not saying that's the only thing that works. There's a lot of shit that works. I do think he's a clown. I mean, I'm with you, Ron. I think he's a fucking clown. I think, there's other stuff that's going to come out in years. Everyone has a strategy and they want to name it something else. I've seen so much shit and it's just people renaming shit. I'm going to start calling them Cove blocks. Fair value gaps are now Cove blocks. Boom. There you go. I'm going to call them Cove blocks. PA account made 4,000 on Friday. PA account lost 4,000 today and blown. See, that's what I'm saying, Captain. If you were playing the sweeps only, you wouldn't play in the range. Marie uses it. Marie makes money doing, it helps her out a lot. How many LUs are you up today, Marie? I feel like it's 5 LUs. 5. Cove cookies. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And you don't need all the bullshit, the name, like you just have to see it. You're up 10 LUs. Yo, are you getting over sell? Are you at a payout? Because you told me the other day you had $2,000. You were up in the accounts. Did you ever request a payout? I got to do this. Set up this ducks, by the way. Did you request a payout or no? The wax on and wax off. What's an LU? It's LUs are Lowe's units. BK. It's how much she would get paid a day at Lowe's. So every unit is 1 day's pay at Lowe's. So if she's up 10 LUs, she's up 10 days of working at Lowe's. Which is an awesome unit of measurement. It doesn't get better than that. I'm setting the ducks up. If you're brand new, subscribe below. Yo, later, bad. There's the link to all the prop firm discounts right now. There's not like massive discounts going on. I'm just being honest with you. Not a whole lot of massive discounts. I don't know if they're waiting until Halloween to run some or Black Friday. I think somebody's gonna run something soon, but probably Halloween. I'm thinking. I'm getting the ducks out. But yeah, for anyone new, I stream twice a day. If you want to come hang out, we also have the free Discord that you come hang out at night, ask questions. I trade in there in the morning most of the time. I'll post any swing plays I'm doing after. Usually, I buy something like 6:30 to 11 o'clock. That's usually what I do. And I'll swing either gold or the NQ. I trade crypto over the weekend in the Discord. So trading really never stops. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. It literally works everywhere. Other than that, when is Black Friday? The day after Thanksgiving. You don't know? You're on Etsy and you don't know when Black Friday is, Marie? It's the day after Thanksgiving. Captain, sometimes when you get that 60-point candle, you wait for some consolidation and they're just going to keep it going. After they pump 60 points, I actually took it long for $400 in a cash account for Diaz. Now that I say it, yeah, it's crazy. Sean, are you going to hold on? No! Golden, are you here? Are you here? Super simple. You want a trade day account. So I don't even have to run the ducks, but you want a trade day account. Trade day. Yeah. My duck got shot. Dude, he led the whole time, man. Premature frontulation. Yeah, Captain. Yep, 5-second chart. Yeah. I posted. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Trade Day still hasn't given my fucking. I have a funded account that I got with them. They haven't given it to me. You took jeez. I'm trying to think. Do I have to do anything? Yo, I don't understand where the fucking thing went. I'm supposed to have a funded account. Oh, I had to hit a button? Bro, I've been waiting for my fucking Trade Day funded account, and I had to hit a button. Yo, I'm kind of glad they didn't give it to me, though. It was kind of shitty of PA. So now I have it. Bro, they just wanted me to hit a button. I didn't have to do anything. I need to create Trade Day account before. No, I got to give you a code, Golden. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. This is the one thing I have a code for. Because I'm doing the Influencer Cup. I got a code for people. Dude, gold is just wild. Wait, what the fuck? I just got 2 influencers, 1 cup. Oh, he said this earlier. China may pay 155% tariff if no deal by November 1st. Yo, bro, he thinks he's gonna. This shit's gonna be wild. This shit's gonna be wild. No, man. Oh, man. All right, I'm jumping off. I got to go coach. If you got questions, I'll be in the Discord. I'll be back on tomorrow. What sucks is that tweet is why I blew the account. I was on my way to green, tweet hit. Ugh, that sucks, man. Yo, when Trump's president, dude, that's how it is. There's a lot of shit going on at all times. You just never know what you're gonna get. Yeah. You just never know. It's all over the place. A generation of bag holders is being loaded. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right. I'll see you guys later on. Peace. I'm out.